Good afternoon, everybody, and thank you for choosing your time to watch our Real Turf Tuesday tip videos. And today we're going to talk about why it's important to do applications of a pre-emergent herbicide or be on a program of weed control before springtime. This time of the year, the weather's starting to warm up. Those spring weeds are starting to germinate. Dandelion and henbit are already out there popping full swing. Poana's already emerged in most applications. The one that I get a lot of calls about is lawn burrweed. That one really should have been taken care of back in October, early October, fall time. So it's very important to go ahead and get on a program as early as you can, especially fall. Even if you can't do it in the fall time, even January 1st of the year is a great time to get started on a program, because you're able to allow your spray technicians to come out, apply those pre-emergent herbicides to help prevent the germination of these weeds that we're currently starting to see with these warmer temperatures. So if it's something that you're interested in and you haven't had a chance to find someone to take care of your yard, you still have time. It's just the only issue now at this point in time is those weeds have kind of already started popping. They're already fully growing, making those yards look like they haven't been mowed. And now is whenever we do make applications to these yards, sometimes it takes one, maybe two applications to fully eradicate those weeds. So it's really a great idea to make sure that you sign up for a program really early on in the year if you decide that's what you want to do for your turf to keep it healthy, lush, and green. So if it's something you're in the market for and you're still looking for that weed control company, give us a call at 478-988-0043. We'll be glad to take your phone calls, give you an idea of what a program will run you, and we can go ahead and get you started just as soon as we can get you set up on that. So if you like to, just give us a call. And as always, thanks for watching our video, and we appreciate your business.